This would be a 2019 Summit 2-bedroom. It's a double loft, house type rear entry door. It's tan or sandalwood with brown shutters and white trim. List for about $58,000. Pretty nice trailer. It's got a bedroom with doors that close in the front, or you can toss the bed out and make it be a den. Nice big kitchen, table and 4 chairs, double loft. So we've got the shorter loft in the front, the taller loft in the rear, stairs leading up. House type rear entry door. Summit wardrobe, mirrored wardrobe, queen bed. There's 6 drawers in here and storage underneath the stairs. Let's see if we can get any view at all of the bathroom. It's going to be dark. Well, it's not too bad. Let's see how it shows up. There's a mirrored vanity, sink, tub shower with a shower curtain. You've got the linen closet behind the shower and the all-important commode. Okay. 30-inch range, microwave, range hood, ceiling fan, probably seating for 5 or 6 depending on how big your kids are. Well, that's my quick view of the Summit double loft 2-bedroom. Thanks for watching.